Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 10th of October. Getting close. Probably going to take a 15-minute sale here very soon. Let's go ahead.
There's nothing more powerful than you making your thing happen. Really.
What up, Space Joe? How's it going, bro? See how much this daily candles move so far. Oh man, not much, man. Definitely bearish on gold here. Just trying to see where would be the best entry. Potentially consider taking this 15-minute entry, but honestly, it's a little tricky. I can't say it's got the best targets really. How you feeling so far, Joe? So I seen you end up closing 90%. Caught GJ sales earlier. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Go ahead and take a look at Patty and itself. Oh yeah, that worked out real well for you. Yes, sir. Good position, bro. Good position. Definitely like it, bro. Definitely, my bias for gold is gonna be sells. Sells for sure. Just being patient right now. The reason why I'm taking sells and want to take sells on gold is because we have a daily bearish candle. Still got some room to kick. Generally, daily candles here on gold can go about 200 pips, so we can easily probably touch around 1845, which for us, that would mean we still got a good little 80-90 pips left within this daily candle. So we could that's definitely a possibility for us. So generally, I'm kind of thinking more bearish, just waiting to find that right entry. And honestly, just with how it's kind of been dying down a bit, I don't know. I'm a little partial to this right now. Just, you know how NYSE has those random little spikes of volatility, so I really want to make sure that it doesn't start flipping on us, make a support, and I make the wrong decision. I want to make sure that we get a good entry. Because if this 15 minutes able to break below this, then we know that for sure we're trying to come down. But honestly, if it closes like this, I may take another sale. Not another sale, but I will take a sale. Yeah, it's kind of have this be a little bit of patience here. 6 minutes. Kind of liking how this candle's closing. I got a little bit to worry about right here. Right here could get tricky for me. We start breaking below that, we could maybe keep pushing down further, but if I remember right, the daily candle, 1848. Let's see. Yeah. So if we break below that, I can definitely see us hitting 1848. Yeah, folks, I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the restroom real quick. Whenever I come back, should be getting closer and closer to this candle closing. 15 minutes should be closing your tunes, so definitely gonna pay attention to that 15-minute. But we do gotta be careful because that next 15-minute could make a support right here at 1853. So that's what I'm being relatively cautious about. So I might wait for 30 minutes to close. I'll be right back, folks. Alright boys, what's good, what's good? We can see now, we didn't make a support on 15-minute time frame. Now we're starting to reject. Get a nice little 15-minute sell candle here. Could take this position here at the close of this candle, to be honest. Probably be a good spot for me to take it. Reason being, it seems risky though, because the 30-minute candle is obviously closing bearish or bullish. But what I'm going to take the bias on is the fact that we got a 4-hour and daily candle bearish, and I'm also liking the fact that the 15-minute now is closed bearish, give us a nice little safe stop loss. Because obviously it breaks above this, and obviously we don't want to be, it's not wanting to be bearish, so that's something I'm going to take in consideration. But that's once I enter the position. Take a look at the daily here again. Again, we're very, very, very bearish. 4 hours bearish. Take a look at the hourly. Hourly's low-key setting up as like a nice little support here, but I wouldn't trust this too much because we still have a lot of time within this hour. Got 37 minutes. So we're just going to see where we're going to take a look. Stop loss is starting to get kind of big within this position. But this is something I would expect to happen. I can't see this. Can't see this one to push up. This is kind of expected, this fake out. Just around this area got real tricky. That's why I wanted to stay patient. It's real tricky. It's not the best it's not the best price action you can really want for. We got a lot of price. We got a lot of money just built up right here. So I'm really curious to see if this daily might want to push past it, but it definitely looks like it can. Yeah, we easily can. Holy. Yeah. There's good opportunities within this. Hey, what's going on, Miles? What's going on? It's Miles in the building, man. What's cracking, bro? How you doing, my boy Yaga? Baba Yaga? How you feeling today, bruv? It's good to see you, man. We're back at it. Waiting right now to take a sell position. Personally, I'm very bearish on gold right now. We have a daily and 4-hour bearish candle, so I don't want to go against that normal trend there. Trying to make sure I get the right entry though. I kind of like the candle being more up here taking a sell, kind of more as a resistance, but now we're kind of closing and trading around the support level, which has me feeling kind of both ways, because you know I know we could easily reject this area. I got a lot of built consolidation, a lot of liquidity built right here within 1853.12. So with NYSE volume, I would imagine it can break through it, but you know that is the risk I'm most likely going to have to take, and pretty much put that probability on the line here with this 15-minute candle. Um, I'm entering off the 15 minute because I personally like the stop loss. 30 minute, I do know 30 minute is closing bullish so far. It's kind of tough right now. It's kind of tough. 30 minutes kind of closing bullish right now, which is going to make it real tricky though, because there's a lot of build liquidity. And yeah, it's making this quite interesting. This is one hell of a decision. I mean, this is like a prime area to be doing this too. Oh, dude. 8 miles, fucking solid, bro. 50 pips, bro. That's huge. That's huge, bro. Yeah, man, I got some decisions to make, boy. I got some big decisions to make because this 30 minutes closing pretty much a nice support. It's either do I take the buy or I take the sell, but I know for a fact that overall I'm more bearish. Just gonna stick with the higher time frames on this one. I'm not gonna overcomplicate this really. So instead of overcomplicating things, I'm just gonna fucking make it happen. Like it's a little too loud. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, this position is quite tricky, man. I can't lie, because obviously I could definitely see someone wanting to take buys. I mean, I can see that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and check Discord really quick, man. I got 40 seconds to make a decision. But hey, I love you posting the charts, bro. Pound yen, yeah, it's consolidate. 23 seconds, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm taking this. Now, this wouldn't surprise me if we did get stopped out quick, though, because it is a nice 30-minute support. But I do feel confident with that bearish analysis with the fact that we have a daily and 4 hours super bearish. So I'm kind of sticking with those higher time frames, but I do got to be careful. Lower time frames do tell the higher time frames, so got to be real careful. We're already starting off with some good drawdown, I'll tell you that. Yeah, definitely not looking good so far for this. It's getting kind of rough. Just gotta look at this 30-minute support. Yeah, that 30-minute support is looking super nice. 15-minute candles are weaker, that's for sure. Four hours rejecting, quite nice. Yeah, took us out pretty quick there. Okay. So definitely not the entry. Took a risk there. Definitely got burnt on it. Price size is pretty tricky right now. Can't definitely disagree with that. 30-minute time frame, definitely the stronger time frame here to give us that better analysis there, but still not too discouraged, honestly. It's 1852.59. This will be 223 pips stop loss. This is almost working out. The buy position here, almost working out for sure. Hopefully Noah's took that same position as me as well. Hopefully everybody kind of stayed away from that. Just kind of learn from my mistakes there. Yeah, man, sorry about that, folks. Man, got cooked on this position, honestly. So again, my apologies to anybody watching at this point. Really trying to lock it in, guys. Having a, I'm saying, it's a bunch of different like biases in my head almost, but it definitely felt strong about that sell position for sure. Seeing that 30-minute resistance or the 30-minute support, coupled with the amount of liquidity built here, definitely didn't help my case, that's for sure. Definitely felt the oof, just got burned so quick on that position. So unfortunate. Damn. That 7 a.m. bearish candle right here is a nice position right here. Very nice play right here. That could have been the position right there for today, but with this, I'm just going to chill on it. Just knowing that that 7 o'clock candle would have been the move. I came on the stream 1 hour later, so definitely just gonna really try and trade both of those sessions, the New York and NYC session. Lately, I've been coming on for the NYC session because lately I've kind of been feeling like NYC's having a lot of the really good moves happen, but you know, I just don't want to be missing out opportunities like this, and this is definitely an opportunity that's missed out right here. If you guys can see, you know, stop losses could have been easily around, you know, 12 pips. And with the 12 pip stop loss, definitely this candle, next candle pushed more than 12 pips, 30 pips. Could have been easily winnable position here within 15 minutes. This candle now is breaking below previous candles, so at this point, don't know how much I want to re-enter just because of how big the stop loss would be. But yeah, we can see that it's starting to go bearish, which is relatively definitely going to be expected. I mean, higher time frames definitely tell me that 30-minute support, you know, sometimes they just want to grab some liquidity. Just barely had my stop loss. Could have been put a little bit higher to keep me within the position, but is what it is. I'm not really too upset about it. Just kind of more disappointed with my consistency, if anything. That would be the bigger fish to fry for me, is that my consistency is definitely off right there. I'm trying to make these fucking positions, winning positions every single day. Definitely feeling the pressure of taking some losing positions here. Let's take a look and see how pound yen's looking. I think pound yen's still in this consolidation. Pound yen's still trading within this range. Wow, this is definitely unfortunate. Definitely unfortunate. At this point, I'm just curious to see how much this trade's gonna, or not necessarily this trade, excuse me, this how much this position would have be able to run out. Because as of right now, it's going okay, but just barely got stopped out right at the beginning too. Oh man, oh well, folks. Shit, definitely was looking to make a good play for today, but oof, boy, been getting kind of soice this week. Monday started off a little rough. I can't even say a little bit, actually real rough. Actually, had one break-even trade. I over traded that day, and 2 positions lost. So I can't say I really over traded, but I took one more trade than I shouldn't have. My pound yen position went stop loss break even as my 2 gold positions got stopped out, stopped out full. Today I'm not taking 2 positions. I am just sticking to 1 position, just kind of taking a look at how this candle may close. But honestly, guys, looking to probably close the stream here pretty soon because I'm trying to really just catch a nice play tomorrow. Tomorrow's always another day. Not really liking too much how price action is looking. A lot of that is due to this. We got a lot of liquidity built here, a lot of money all up in this area, which I believe is making price pretty difficult for price to push down at this point. With the correct volume, this would push down. I feel like coupled with NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange volume mixed with economic news, like a little bit more of a higher economic news, a little bit more volatile economic news, we may have pushed down through that. But as of right now, I just don't know how much I see us pushing through that. Because still so far we're respecting the support still. At this moment, price is trading at that level. We haven't fully figured out if it's going to respect that support or not yet. We have slightly disrespected it, but you know, definitely yeah, it looking like it's just kind of making a little range here at this point. So yeah, definitely it's probably best for a lot of us to call it a day for today. I think we're gonna have better opportunities later in the week. Definitely tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of opportunities. 7:30 a.m. So definitely looking to get up on here at 7 o'clock for sure. Potentially may get into a position before the news to try and further increase profits, or may just look to get in positions right after, probably around NYSE 8:30ish. The thing about that though is we're gonna have the FOMC. Could provide us some more volume, honestly, but definitely gonna most likely see a lot of that coming from the producer price index. Being the beginning of the month, generally is going to bring us a lot of volume, so could be a good reason why we're consolidating a lot today, because kind of waiting on the big move to happen tomorrow. So it could easily be what's going on right now, guys. But until then, folks, just thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. One more time, man, my apologies to anybody, man. I'm trying to make these positions where we're hitting consistent trades every single day. This week has been a little rough so far. But it's not the end of the week, and it's not the end of it. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to trip about it. Just really going to keep it focused, and was going to maintain to get better and better every single day. So, really appreciate everybody. Space Joe, you good, buddy. You good. Don't even worry about it. But just to recap right about it, Space Joe, it's not really liking price actions too much. Got a lot of liquidity built right around here, around the 1853.12 area. feel like it's making price real difficult to start pushing down, even though we do have 4-hour and daily candles very bearish at the moment. Even though we got these candles very bearish at the moment, I do believe that right now it's probably best for us to wait for a better day to trade. We have more economic news, more volatility for tomorrow. Price action hopefully, you know, does something a little bit different. We get a different setup than what we got right now. Right now the setup just looking really difficult to trade right now for us, guys, honestly. Pound yen may have an opportunity, but honestly at this point, guys, I've already took a 1 trade. Don't want to take a 3% loss each day of this week. Rather just take a 1.5% loss for the day. Let me just double check. Yeah, pretty much 1.49. So definitely took that 1.5% loss today for sure. Don't want to take another one. And even if I did take a dub trade today, it's still just the markets don't look very volatile right now. And I want to be able to have a trade that can you know, further increase my profits past the 1.5%. And I don't know if these setups looking like that so far. So really just looking to call it a day. Miles is gonna go ahead and call it a day. I believe pretty smart for that. My boys already caught 50 pips today, so beautiful play you caught. Same with you, Space Joe. If you caught a nice position today on pound yen, probably best just to call it a day for today. We'll just be back here tomorrow to try and make some more profits and learn some more as well. You know, learn some more information, get better at our trading, and improve our psychology, and just get better with it. But regardless, folks, thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. Just gonna go ahead and call it a day. I ain't gonna lie, hopping off the stream with the loss, I feel a little entitled to try and get a good move for you guys, but honestly, I don't want to force anything and make myself look stupid. So yeah, God bless everybody. Stay safe, man. Thank you, appreciate it a lot, Space Joe. Appreciate it a lot, my boy Miles. Y'all have a great day. We'll be seeing each other real soon, man. See you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. We got producer price index tomorrow, and we also got FOMC. Hopefully, we get some real good positions in. Looking forward to seeing y'all for sure. But, hey, man, have a great day, guys. God bless, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.